Which team recorded the highest successful run chase in IPL history by chasing 265 runs? Answer is Punjab Kings. Which athlete became the first to officially run a marathon in under 2 hours? Answer is Sebastian Saw. Where was the ISSF Junior World Cup 2026 held? Answer is Cairo. How many medals did India win at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2026? Answer is 16. Who became the first player to score 9,000 IPL runs? Answer is Virat Kohli. PV Sindhu became chair of which body? Answer is BWF Athletes Commission. Who became India's first transgender cricket umpire? Answer is Ritika Shri. Which club retained the AIFF Elite Youth League 2025-26 title? Answer is Punjab FC. At what age did Faustino Oro become the second youngest grandmaster in history? Answer is 12. Which country hosted the Sardinia World Chess Festival 2026? Answer is Italy. Rahul Dravid became owner of which ETPL franchise? Answer is Dublin Guardians. How many medals did India win at the Asian Boxing U15 Championships 2026? Answer is 27. Which youngster hit the most sixes by an Indian batter in a single IPL season? Answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which club won its first Indian Super League title in 2026? Answer is East Bengal FC. Who won the Golden Boot after scoring 11 goals in 13 matches for East Bengal FC? Answer is Yusuf SJ Jari. Cristiano Ronaldo won his first Saudi Pro League title with which club? Answer is Al Nassr. Which footballer became only the second football billionaire after Cristiano Ronaldo? Answer is Lionel Messi. Which team finished at the top of the IPL 2026 points table? Answer is Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Where was the Federation Cup 2026 held, where Gurinder Veer Singh set a national record? Answer is Ranchi. Which driver won the Canadian Grand Prix 2026? Answer is Kimi Antonelli. Isha Singh won gold in which event at the ISSF World Cup Munich? Answer is Women's 25-meter pistol. What world record score did Isha Singh achieve? Answer is 43 points. In which city were the Laureus World Sports Awards 2026 held? Answer is Madrid. Who won the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year Award 2026? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Who received the Laureus World Sportswoman of the Year Award 2026? Answer is Aryna Sabalenka. Which club won the Laureus World Team of the Year Award 2026? Answer is Paris Saint-Germain. Which Formula One driver won the Breakthrough of the Year award? Answer is Lando Norris. Who received the Comeback of the Year award at Laureus 2026? Answer is Rory McIlroy. Which athlete won the Sports Person with a Disability award? Answer is Gabriel Araujo. Who won the Action Sports Person of the Year award? Answer is Chloe Kim. Which young football star won the Young Sports Person of the Year award? Answer is Lamine Yamal. Which former footballer received the Sporting Inspiration Award? Answer is Toni Kroos. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award at Laureus 2026? Answer is Nadia Kamnisi. Which organization won the Sport for Good Award 2026? Answer is Football Mars. Which country does tennis star Carlos Alcaraz belong to? Answer is Spain. Paris Saint-Germain won the Team of the Year award after securing which major title for the first time? Answer is UEFA Champions League. Rory McIlroy completed his career Grand Slam with victory at which tournament? Answer is Masters Tournament. At what age did Lamine Yamal win the Young Sportsperson Award? Answer is 17 years. Toni Kroos won how many UEFA Champions League titles during his career? Answer is 6. Which national team did Toni Kroos represent internationally? Answer is Germany. Which Indian team was nominated for the Best Team of the Year category? Answer is Indian Women's World Cup team. In which year did the Indian women's team win its maiden ICC Women's World Cup? Answer is 2025. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2025-26 title? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Who was named Player of the Tournament in Ranji Trophy 2025-26? Answer is Aqib Nabi. Who unveiled the logo of the Cycling League of India, CLI? Answer is Mansukh Mandavia. How many franchises will participate in the Cycling League of India? Answer is 8. Which Australian cricketer retired from all forms of international cricket in March 2026? Answer is Alyssa Healy. Which stadium stand was named after Ravi Shastri by the Mumbai Cricket Association? Answer is Wankhede Stadium stand. Which team retained the Khelo India Winter Games 2026 Team Championship? Answer is Indian Army. How many gold medals did the Indian Army win at Khelo India Winter Games 2026? Answer is 9. Which state finished runner-up at Khelo India Winter Games 2026? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. The first Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 will be hosted by which state? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Jasprit Bumrah completed 500 international wickets by dismissing which player? Answer is Harry Brook. India defeated which country to win the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 title? Answer is New Zealand. Where was the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 final played? Answer is Narendra Modi Stadium. Who was the player of the match in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 final? Answer is Jasprit Bumrah. How much cash reward did BCCI announce for Team India after the T20 World Cup 2026 victory? Answer is 131 crore rupees. Which driver won the Australian Grand Prix 2026? Answer is George Russell. India women's hockey team qualified for the FIH Hockey Women's World Cup 2026 after defeating which team? Answer is Wales. Which Indian para-athlete won gold in men's high jump T63 at the World Para-Athletics Grand Prix? Answer is Shailesh Kumar. What is the mascot of the Khelo India Winter Games? Answer is Shinichi. The 22nd World Indoor Athletics Championships 2028 will be hosted by which country? Answer is India. Which city will host the 2028 World Indoor Athletics Championships? Answer is Bhubaneswar. Who became the second highest international run scorer in cricket history? Answer is Virat Kohli. Alyssa Healy, who announced her retirement in January 2026, is associated with which sport? Answer is cricket. Who was named the ICC Women's Player of the Month for December 2025? Answer is Laura Woolwart. Who won the ICC Men's Player of the Month award for December 2025? Answer is Mitchell Starc. Who was named the Goodwill Ambassador for the Pune Grand Tour 2026? Answer is MS Dhoni. Saina Nehwal is associated with which sport? Answer is badminton. Jenson Johnson is associated with which sport? Answer is athletics. Who became India's 92nd chess grandmaster? Answer is Aryan Varshane. The 72nd National Volleyball Tournament was held in which city? Answer is Varanasi. Who virtually inaugurated the 72nd National Volleyball Tournament in January 2026? Answer is Narendra Modi. Which state emerged as the overall champion of the Khelo India Beach Games, KB, 2026? Answer is Karnataka. Where were the Khelo India Beach Games 2026 held? Answer is Ghoghla Beach, DU. Which state finished second in the Khelo India Beach Games 2026 medal tally? Answer is Tamil Nadu. What was the mascot of the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Answer is Pearl. Pearl, the mascot of Khelo India Beach Games 2026, represents which animal? Answer is dolphin. Which aircraft's first flight completed 25 years in January 2026? Answer is Tejas Light Combat Aircraft. Which organization reactivated the National Olympic Academy in India? Answer is Indian Olympic Association. The International Olympic Academy is located in which country? Answer is Greece. Who has been appointed as a member of the Asian Boxing Council? Answer is Vijender Singh. Vijender Singh is associated with which sport? Answer is boxing. Who won the ICC U19 World Cup 2026 title? Answer is India. Which team did India defeat to win its sixth ICC U19 World Cup title? Answer is England. How many ICC U19 World Cup titles has India won after the 2026 victory? Answer is 6. Who was named the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2025? Answer is Smriti Mandhana. Smriti Mandhana, who won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2025 award, is associated with which sport? Answer is cricket. Which team reached the Ranji Trophy final for the first time in its history? Answer is Jammu Kashmir. Who won the Australian Open 2026 men's singles title? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Who won the Australian Open 2026 women's singles title? Answer is Elena Rybakina. Who won the Delhi Open 2026 ATP Challenger singles title? Answer is Stefanos Sakellaridis. Who won the doubles title at the Delhi Open 2026? Answer is Siddhant Bantia Alexander Doski. Vaishnavi Adkar lost to which player in the ITF W100 Bangalore final? Answer is Hanne Vandevinkel. Who won the BWF Super 300 title at the Thailand Masters? Answer is Devika Sehag. Which country secured the hosting rights for the 2027 Asian Rifle Pistol Championship? Answer is India. Where was the Asian Shooting Championship 2026 held? Answer is New Delhi. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Shooting Championship 2026? Answer is India. Who won the gold medal in the 25-meter center fire pistol event? Answer is Amanpreet Singh. Who won the gold medal in the 25-meter pistol junior event? Answer is Suraj Sharma. Which pregnant Indian shooter won a bronze medal, showcasing determination and excellence? Answer is Meghna Sajjanar. Who won the gold medal in the men's heptathlon at the Asian Indoor Athletics Championships 2026? Answer is Tejaswin Shankar. Tejaswin Shankar is associated with which sport? Answer is athletics. In which country were the Asian Indoor Athletics Championships 2026 held? Answer is China. Which team won the SAFF U19 Women's Football Championship title? Answer is India. Which team did India defeat to win the SAFF U19 Women's Football Championship? Answer is Bangladesh. Which state's women's team won the gold medal at the Para Throwball Nationals 2026? Answer is Jharkhand. Which country hosted the 2026 Winter Olympics, Milano Cortina 2026? Answer is Italy. What was the official name of the 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is Milano Cortina 2026. Who was the president of the International Olympic Committee, IOC, during the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is Kirsty Coventry. Which country topped the medal tally at the 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is Norway. Lucas Pinheiro Braathe won Brazil's first ever Winter Olympics medal in which event? Answer is Giant Slalom. Who won the gold medal in the biathlon 15-kilometer event at Milano Cortina 2026? Answer is Johannes Dales Gevdal. Which country won the women's ice hockey gold medal at the 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is United States. Which two sports did India participate in at the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is alpine skiing and cross-country skiing. Who represented India in alpine skiing at the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is Arif Mohammad Khan. Who represented India in cross-country skiing at the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics? Answer is Stanzen Lundup. Who won the inaugural FIDE Freestyle Chess 960 World Championship 2026? Answer is Magnus Carlsen. In which country was the inaugural FIDE Freestyle Chess World Championship 2026 held? Answer is Germany. Which country was allotted 6 quota places for the 2026 Winter Paralympics following the IPC's decision? Answer is Russia.